Looking to build passive income in 2025? Whether you're new to the concept or just looking for fresh ideas, today we're diving into the best passive income streams that are perfect for beginners. Let's get started! 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income online. The concept is simple. Promote products or services on your website, blog, or social media and earn a commission. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique link, sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank and start sharing product recommendations with your audience. The best part? You don't have to create your own products. Just promote and earn. Step 2. Create and sell an online course. If you have expertise in a particular field, why not share that knowledge by creating an online course? Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare make it easy to upload your content and start selling. Once your course is live, you can make money as students sign up and take your lessons. It's a great way to generate passive income with a one-time effort. Step 3. Start a YouTube channel. Did you know you can earn passive income just by posting videos? With YouTube's partner program, once you hit certain milestones, you can start making money from ads on your videos. Create content around your passions or niche, and as your videos gain views, the ad revenue rolls in. The more content you create, the more money you can make while you sleep. Step 4. Rent out property or a room. Got a spare room or even an unused parking space? Platforms like Airbnb make it simple to turn extra space into a source of income. Renting out your property or a room can generate passive cash flow without much ongoing effort. Once your listing is up, guests book their stays, and you get paid. It's a perfect passive income source if you have unused space lying around. Step 5. Publish an ebook. If you have a passion for writing, publishing an ebook is another great way to earn passive income. You can write about anything from fiction to how-to guides and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Once your ebook is live, you earn royalties whenever someone buys it. And the best part? You can continue to earn money from it long after you've hit publish. Step 6. Start a dropshipping business. In dropshipping, you sell products online without holding inventory. When someone buys from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Your job is to market the products, and you earn the profit margin. With platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, setting up a dropshipping business has never been easier. Once everything's automated, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more online money making and finance tips. Thanks for watching.